What does the Word of God say?
Children,
Children,
obey
obey
your parents
your parents
and the Lord.
and the Lord,
What is it? Right.
for this is right. How about do not be?
Over.
Over,
Come.
come,
By.
by,
If.
Eve,
Wo.
vol,
But.
but, over,
Come.
come,
Before.
evil, with.
Good.
Good. How about you are
Yet.
the light
And everywhere.
of the world?
There is a swimming.
Let your light shine before men,
And busy going.
so they may see your good works
And find heaven.
and glorify your Father in heaven. What else does the Word of God say? It says, rejoice,
Are we gonna?
rejoice,
We going?
always,
Always.
pray,
Continue.
continually,
Good days.
give thanks
Anything.
in everything. And it says, this is the day
And then heaven.
that the Lord has made.
Are we going?
I will rejoice
Are we gonna?
and be glad in it.
Are we gonna?
And be glad in it.
Are we going?
I will rejoice
We gonna?
and be glad in it.
Good days.
Give thanks
Anything.
in everything. You love the Word of God?
And then we're gone.
Yes? You taking off your socks?
But we